If I told you that the foods you trust every day might quietly weaken your legs instead of protecting them, would you believe me? Just a few days ago, a 7-year-old woman from Texas was rushed to the ER after her legs suddenly gave out, all because of a healthy food she'd eaten for years. So are these everyday choices truly helping your muscles or slowly breaking them down? In today's video, we'll uncover the top 8 foods seniors must eat to stop muscle loss, and the most important one, the one most people still get wrong, is revealed at the very end. 8. Lima beans. Gentle support for muscle repair. Lima beans may seem like a simple side dish, but for seniors over 60, they quietly support muscle repair in a way many people never notice. Each cup gives around 9 grams of protein and a solid amount of lysine, an amino acid your muscles rely on to rebuild after daily strain. The USDA notes that lima beans also contain resistant starch, which helps older adults absorb nutrients more effectively, something that naturally becomes harder with age. Take Margaret, a 73-year-old from Indiana. She ate chicken and eggs regularly, yet her legs still felt weak and tired. Her doctor later discovered she wasn't absorbing enough amino acids, and adding small servings of lima beans helped her recover faster after simple activities like gardening. Still, lima beans work slowly, and their dense texture means they're not as commonly used as other protein-rich foods on this list. If you want to use them right away, try adding half a cup to soups, blending them into a soft spread, or pairing them with whole grain toast. They're gentle, filling, and easy to digest. A simple step you can start today. If you're still watching, drop a number 8 in the comments. And as we move forward, you'll see how the next food takes a very different approach. One that focuses less on protein and more on something your muscles depend on every single minute. 7. Teff Grain. Boosts oxygen and reduces fatigue. Teff is a tiny ancient grain that works quietly but effectively to reduce fatigue and support muscle strength, especially for adults over 60. It delivers around 10 grams of protein per cup, along with natural iron that helps your muscles receive the oxygen they need to stay active. When oxygen flow is low, many seniors describe their legs as heavy, slow, or tired, even after something simple like walking across the room. Teff also contains lysine, an amino acid your muscles use to recover after long periods of sitting or slow movement. Its flavor is earthy and slightly nutty, similar to whole grain oatmeal but a little richer. Some people enjoy it right away, while others need time to get used to the taste. To make teff easier to enjoy, try turning it into a warm morning porridge with cinnamon and blueberries, mixing cooked teff into soups for extra thickness and nutrition, or using teff flour to make soft pancakes that are gentle on the stomach. If you prefer something lighter, sprinkle a spoonful over yogurt for an added boost. Teff might not be the most common grain in American households, but these simple preparations make it far more practical. And next, we move into a food that doesn't rely on grains at all. One that gives your muscles a type of protein they can use almost instantly. 6. Tofu. High-quality protein, but not always a favorite. Tofu is one of the simplest ways for seniors to get a complete, easy-to-digest protein source, especially if heavier meats cause bloating or discomfort. It provides all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair themselves, along with natural calcium and magnesium that help reduce cramps and support steady movement. According to nutrition guidance widely shared by major U.S. health organizations, plant proteins like tofu can support muscle strength while being gentler on the stomach and heart compared to high-fat animal options. But tofu also has its challenges. Many older adults in the U.S. aren't used to its mild taste or soft texture, making it harder to include regularly. Its benefits only work when eaten consistently, so preparation matters. Baking tofu with a light seasoning, slicing it into salads, or adding it to vegetable soups can make it far more enjoyable. For those who prefer a stronger flavor, marinating it in lemon, garlic, or low-sodium soy sauce helps it absorb taste quickly. If you want something you can try right away, pan-sear small cubes until lightly crisp. Then mix them into rice or steamed greens. This simple method boosts both protein and comfort without overwhelming your palate. And while tofu offers steady support, the next food brings a different kind of strength, one that keeps your energy stable throughout the entire day. 5. Chickpeas, steady energy and strong muscle support. Chickpeas are one of the simplest ways for seniors to maintain steady energy and support muscle strength throughout the day. Each cup offers about 15 grams of protein, plus magnesium and folate, two nutrients that help your muscles and nerves work together smoothly. Because chickpeas digest slowly, they help prevent the sudden afternoon energy crashes many older adults struggle with. For years, Marvin, 72, from Ohio, felt worn out halfway through his day. His usual lunches, crackers, soup, or a quick sandwich left him hungry again within an hour. When he began adding chickpeas to his meals, he noticed something different. His energy stayed level, his legs felt less shaky in the afternoon, and even his evening walks became easier. He described it as having fuel that doesn't fade too fast. Chickpeas can cause mild bloating for some seniors, especially if they aren't used to legumes. Rinsing canned chickpeas well or starting with small portions can make a big difference. They're also incredibly versatile. You can mash them with olive oil and lemon for a smooth spread, stir them into warm rice or vegetable bowls, or roast them for a light, crunchy snack that feels satisfying without being heavy. If you're still here, it's always encouraging to know this information is landing well with you. And from here, the story shifts towards something many seniors notice first thing in the morning: a stiffness in the joints or tightness in the muscles that seems to slow everything down. 4. Broccoli, a sulforaphane that supports muscle and joint health. Broccoli is one of the most dependable vegetables for seniors who want stronger muscles and easier movement. It's naturally rich in sulforaphane, a compound noted in many U.S. nutrition studies for its ability to protect aging muscle cells from oxidative stress, the slow wear and tear process that makes legs feel tight, weak, or slow to recover after activity. As muscle fibers age, they lose flexibility and strength, and sulforaphane helps reduce that decline by supporting healthier cell function. Another advantage is broccoli's support for collagen production, which keeps joints, ligaments, and connective tissues firm. When collagen drops, many seniors notice increased stiffness when standing up, bending, or climbing stairs. Gentle steaming keeps broccoli soft, easy to digest, and preserves the nutrients that help reduce these issues. Even better, its mild taste makes it simple to add to daily meals. You can toss small florets into soups, pair them with baked chicken or salmon, mix them into rice bowls, or blend them into a smooth puree if chewing is difficult. For seniors sensitive to bloating, steaming for just 3 to 4 minutes helps soften the fibers without losing the natural compounds. And broccoli works steadily in the background, supporting mobility day by day. And next, we move into a food that doesn't just help the muscles themselves. It strengthens the signals that tell your muscles how to move, something many older adults start noticing when their hands or legs feel slower to respond. 3. Sardines, protein and omega-3 for stronger muscles and nerves. Sardines are one of the simplest and most effective foods seniors can use to support muscle strength and nerve function. A single can delivers around 20 grams of protein, along with omega-3 fatty acids that help calm the inflammation that builds up in aging muscles. This inflammation is one of the main reasons older adults feel soreness in their legs after walking or notice slow recovery from daily activities. The omega-3s in sardines help ease that tight, achy feeling by supporting smoother muscle movement. They're also naturally rich in vitamin D and B12, which play a major role in keeping bones firm and nerve signals steady. Many seniors begin to notice slower reaction time or unsteady steps as these nutrients decline, and sardines offer a simple way to replenish them without pills or complicated routines. Another advantage is convenience. Sardines require no cooking, and their soft texture makes them easy to chew. Elaine, 76, from Maine, shared that adding sardines to her lunch twice a week made her afternoon walks feel lighter and her legs didn't tire as quickly. She said the biggest surprise was how fast the change showed up. If you want something easy to try, sardines mix well with whole grain crackers, lemon, or a simple salad. Choosing versions packed in water helps keep the flavor gentle for those who prefer something mild. If you're still here, a quiet subscribe would simply let me know this type of content is supporting you. And while sardines help with strength during the day, the next food steps in at night, right when your muscles repair the fastest. 2. Cottage cheese. Nighttime. Fuel for muscle recovery. Cottage cheese is one of the most effective nighttime foods for seniors who want to rebuild muscle while they sleep. The key is its casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that continues releasing amino acids for 6 to 8 hours. This steady flow is crucial because the body naturally breaks down muscle faster at night, especially in adults over 60. Without a source of slow-lasting fuel, many seniors wake up feeling stiff, weak, or unsteady, even after a full night's rest. By providing a gentle stream of amino acids, cottage cheese helps reduce this nighttime breakdown and supports deeper muscle repair. Seniors who add it to their evening routine often notice fewer leg cramps, reduced morning soreness, and a stronger, steadier first step out of bed. It also offers natural calcium and phosphorus, minerals that help muscles contract properly and keep bones firm. Its soft texture and mild taste make cottage cheese easy to digest, even for those who struggle with heavier evening foods. Harold, 78, from Michigan, had dealt with nighttime leg cramps for years. He avoided large dinners and tried stretching before bed, but nothing helped. When he started eating half a cup of cottage cheese in the evening, the difference came faster than he expected. His nighttime cramps eased, and he woke up without the tightness he had blamed on age. Of course, cottage cheese isn't ideal for everyone. Some seniors find the flavor too bland or prefer to avoid dairy. A simple solution is to add berries, cinnamon, or a drizzle of honey for a gentle sweetness, or mix it with avocado and pepper for a smooth, savory version. Low-fat or lactose-reduced options are also easier on the stomach for those sensitive to dairy. If you want to try it tonight, start with a small serving, about 1/3 to half a cup, so your body gets the benefits without feeling overly full. It's a simple, practical nighttime habit that supports muscle repair during the hours when your body does most of its healing. And while cottage cheese works quietly through the night, the final food on this list provides a complete, all-day boost, helping seniors rebuild strength, improve balance, and stay independent with surprising efficiency. 1. Edamame/soybeans, the most complete and practical muscle-building food. Edamame is the single most practical food seniors can use to rebuild muscle because it delivers exactly what aging muscles struggle to get enough of: leucine. This amino acid is the main trigger your body uses to turn on muscle repair. Yet studies from the National Institutes of Health show that adults over 60 often consume far below the amount needed for proper recovery. That's where edamame stands out. 1 cup provides around 12 grams of protein in a concentrated dose of leucine in a form that's naturally easy for the body to absorb. In addition to muscle repair, edamame supports circulation through its natural folate, which helps red blood cells carry oxygen more efficiently. It also contains vitamin K, which plays a role in bone strength and overall stability. These nutrients matter because as people age, poor circulation and declining bone density often show up together as weak legs, slower walking, or difficulty climbing stairs. Another advantage is how simple edamame is to use. While many protein-rich foods require long cooking times or heavy preparation, edamame only needs a few minutes in boiling water. Seniors with sensitive digestion often prefer it because its soft texture is gentle on the stomach and doesn't cause the heaviness that meats or fried foods can trigger. The flavor is mild, slightly salty, and familiar enough that it easily fits into daily meals. There are many easy ways to enjoy it. You can toss warm edamame into a salad, mix shelled beans into soups for extra protein, or keep a small bowl in the fridge for a quick snack. For those watching sodium, choosing unsalted or lightly salted versions helps maintain heart balance. If chewing is difficult, blending edamame into a smooth dip with lemon or olive oil provides the same nutrients without strain. And while edamame earns the top spot for its balance of strength, flavor, and convenience, it also brings us to an important moment in this video. The part where everything ties together into one clear message about staying strong, steady, and independent. Staying strong after 60 is not about perfection, but about giving your body the steady nutrition it needs every day. These 8 foods can help you slow muscle loss, improve balance, and feel more stable with every step. Among them, which one feels easiest for you to add to your routine this week? Share your answer in the comments so others can learn from you. If this video was helpful, a like or subscribe would mean a lot. And if you share this useful knowledge with your friends, they will truly be thankful. More senior-friendly health tips are ready for you on this channel.